Josh Ellsworth, General Manager of Stahls CAD Cut Direct. As a garment decorator, you have a ton of choices when it comes to decorating t-shirts or any type of job for that matter. Whether it's screen printing, embroidery, direct-to-garment printing, heat-applied graphics, sublimation, the choices are many. In this tutorial, we're going to teach you how to decipher between screen printing and heat-applied film for a 6-piece t-shirt order. Let's look at the job. Now, how do I choose between screen printing and heat-applied film if I want to achieve maximum profit? Let's take a look at screen printing first. We've broken down the major steps involved with screen printing and completed a time study for this 6-piece job. Keep in mind, all of these steps, except for print, will remain the same times whether you're doing 1 piece or 1,000 pieces. Here's your cost per design without labor involved. We've calculated it based on the number of pieces and the number of colors, meaning the number of screens. Okay, now that we know the cost and the process involved with screen printing, let's look at heat-applied film next. With heat-applied film, you have 3 major steps involved in labor: cutting, weeding, and heat applying. We've broken down the time for each for this particular 6-piece job. Now, just in case you're new to heat-applied film, I'd like to coach you through the process. First, send your job to your cutter. It cuts out the design out of the colors of film. Each color needs to be loaded separately. Then you weed away the excess material to remove the unwanted material, exposing your design. Now, load your garment on the heat press. Preheat the garment to remove the moisture and wrinkles. Position the background of your design. With this particular film, it heat applies just for 1 second to get it to temporarily tack down. Peel away the backing. Now we'll line up our second color. Position. Cover. And apply for the recommended time and temperature based on the film that you're using. Remove the backing. That's a completed garment. Let's go through it one more time. Load your garment. Preheat. Position your first layer of film. Tack it down. Remove the backing. Line up your second color. Cover the entire design and heat press it one more time for the recommended time, temperature, and pressure. That's it, the same process for each garment. Now here's the basic breakdown for cost per design. 45 square inches in material used between the black and the red. Material costs about a penny per square inch, so we have 45 cents in each design. So now you understand a little bit about the heat-applied film process as well. Let's take a look at a side-by-side cost breakdown for this particular job. So as you can see, heat-applied film makes perfect sense for this job at 6 pieces. Now what if the customer came in and they wanted a dozen pieces, or 2 dozen, or 48, or 100 pieces? Let's look at that breakdown. Now you see what's happening here on this simple comparison? We're breaking down the price per piece only and not calculating in the labor. So it looks like the breaking point is somewhere around 84 pieces. When we start to add in labor, you have the same amount of labor in every single piece for heat applied film. With screen printing, once you're set up, the labor rate goes down per piece as your quantity goes up, because it's amortized over a higher volume of pieces. So the breaking point's actually going to be somewhere around 48 pieces for this design. So are you starting to get it? Heat applied graphics and screen printing, they go hand in hand. In order to make maximum profit at your shop, you need to have access to both. I'm Josh Ellsworth. Thanks for watching.